Dubrovnik, a Croatian city on the Adriatic Sea, is a sight to behold. With its shimmering waters and terracotta rooftops, it's no wonder it's called the Jewel of the Adriatic. Nestled on the Dalmatian coast, Dubrovnik beckons travelers with its charm and beauty. This captivating city offers a journey through time, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking adventure, Dubrovnik has something special in store. Get ready to fall in love with this captivating Croatian gem. Dubrovnik's history is as rich and captivating as its scenery. Founded in the 7th century, the city quickly rose to prominence as a maritime power. As the Republic of Ragusa, it flourished for centuries, establishing a vast trading network across the Mediterranean. This strategic location brought wealth and influence, shaping Dubrovnik's unique identity. The city's rich past is evident in its well-preserved architecture, a blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. From its fortified walls to its grand palaces, Dubrovnik whispers tales of a bygone era. Dubrovnik's spirit is deeply rooted in its traditions, passed down through generations. The city's rich history and cultural heritage are evident in every corner, from its ancient walls to its bustling markets. The city comes alive with vibrant festivals throughout the year. These celebrations are a testament to the community's enduring love for music, dance, and togetherness. The Dubrovnik Summer Festival, a celebration of music, theater, and dance, is a highlight, filling the city's squares and streets with joy and artistry. This festival attracts performers and visitors from all over the world, creating a magical atmosphere. Food lovers will delight in Dubrovnik's culinary scene, a fusion of Mediterranean flavors and local specialties. The city's restaurants and markets offer a feast for the senses, with dishes that reflect the region's rich agricultural heritage. Be sure to sample fresh seafood, flavorful stews, and traditional pastries. Each bite tells a story of the land and sea. And the region's renowned olive oil. This liquid gold is a staple in Dubrovnik's cuisine, adding depth and richness to every meal. And don't forget to browse the local craft shops for unique souvenirs. Look for intricate lacework, delicate filigree jewelry, and colorful ceramics. These handcrafted items are perfect mementos of your visit, each piece reflecting the skill and passion of Dubrovnik's artisans. Section 4. Exploring the city walls, a walk through time. No visit to Dubrovnik is complete without a walk along its iconic city walls. These ancient walls are not just a barrier, but a testament to the city's rich history and resilience. These impressive fortifications, built between the 13th and 17th centuries, encircle the Old Town, offering breathtaking views from every angle. Each stone tells a story of battles fought and won, of a city that stood strong through the ages. As you stroll along the walls, imagine the city's history unfolding before your eyes. Picture the medieval soldiers who once patrolled these very paths, defending their beloved city. Peer down at the labyrinthine streets, marvel at the sturdy towers, and soak in the panoramic vistas of the Adriatic Sea. The view from the top is nothing short of spectacular, offering a unique perspective of Dubrovnik's architectural beauty. It's a walk that will transport you through time and leave you in awe of Dubrovnik's architectural prowess. Every step you take is a journey through centuries of history, culture, and unmatched beauty. Section 5. Beyond the walls, Stradan, Mount Surd, and island escapes. Dubrovnik is a city of endless exploration and hidden gems. Venture beyond the ancient city walls to discover more of Dubrovnik's treasures, each offering a unique experience. Stroll down Stradan, the main street, paved with gleaming limestone and lined with shops and cafes. This bustling thoroughfare is the heart of the Old Town, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Take a cable car to the summit of Mount Surd for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the coastline, and the Elefidi Islands. The view from the top is truly spectacular, offering a perspective that captures the essence of Dubrovnik's beauty. For a change of pace, hop on a boat and explore the nearby Elefidi Islands. These islands are just a short boat ride away, yet they feel like a world apart. These idyllic islands offer secluded beaches, charming villages, and a taste of island life. Each island has its own unique charm and character, waiting to be discovered. Whether you choose to relax on the beach, hike through lush forests, or explore the quaint villages, or savor fresh seafood by the sea, the Elefidi Islands have something for everyone. The local cuisine is a highlight, with fresh seafood dishes that are a must-try. The Elefiti Islands offer a tranquil escape from the bustling city, providing a perfect retreat for those looking to unwind and enjoy nature's beauty. Section 6. Dubrovnik awaits a must-visit destination. Dubrovnik is more than just a pretty face. It's a city with a soul. From its fascinating history and vibrant culture to its stunning scenery and welcoming atmosphere, Dubrovnik has all the ingredients for an unforgettable journey. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a taste of history and culture, Dubrovnik will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. So pack your bags and answer the call of the jewel of the Adriatic. Dubrovnik awaits.